Here I have this pumpkin shaped sign that I got from Dollar Tree. I applied Mod Podge and matte onto the back of it, and I also purchased some cloth material in fall colors from Dollar Tree. Put that on the sign, got the air bubbles out. I then cut off the excess cloth material from the sign. And then I'm just laying the excess material flat, folding that over so that it'll stay down. Then I took these miniature pumpkins, which are bowl fillers. I actually got those from Dollar General for $1. And I took out the colors that were in my cloth material, and I just placed those on the pumpkin. I hot glued those down. Then I took my Waverly chalk paint and ink just to highlight the pumpkin stem. And then I just embellished my pumpkin with some fall color leaves. I hot glued those down. And then I added a little raffia bow at the end. And here's how this one turned out. And moving right along with our pumpkin theme, I purchased this pot holder from Dollar Tree. This cute little pumpkin shaped pot holder. I think it's just so cute. It says hello pumpkin. But I thought we could just make it just a little cuter. So here you'll see me taking some floral foam, and I'm gonna hot glue that on the inside of the pocket of the pot holder. And you'll see me just put down enough floral foam so that we can add some nice pretty little fall picks. And of course, you know, you can get any picks or floral arrangements that you like. But I'm going to choose the fall color ones, of course, and ones that have the little pumpkins and the little berries on them that I thought was very cute. Apologizing in advance that I'm going to be out of frame just a little bit in parts of this one. So after just using my wire cutter to cut off each individual stem, I just stuck those down in the floral foam, and you just can position that however you like. I just did that until I was satisfied with it. I just want to take this time to say, if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Tan, and I'm so happy to have you here. If you're liking what you're seeing so far, I would appreciate if you consider subscribing. It will help my channel. It will help it grow greatly. If you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say I humbly appreciate your support. Let's get back to the crafting. And then I needed to just pull the material a little taut, so I just hot glued it on each end and in the middle so that we can continue to see the Hello Pumpkin wording. And here's how this one turned out. Continuing on with my project number 3, I found this really cute glass jar from Dollar Tree, and I love the little copper colored top that it has. But what I did, I took it and I took some Waverly chalk paint in cashew color, and I painted my jar, the whole jar, the cashew color, because that's what color I was wanting this pumpkin to be. After painting the entire jar, and then I sealed it with some Mod Podge and matte, I just put my lid back on, and now we're just gonna finish making it look like a complete pumpkin. And I did that by taking a pumpkin stem from a different pumpkin, and I just actually had to cut that down because it had like a little stem part on the bottom, and I needed it to lay flat on my lid. So I just took my wire cutters and cut that down. But before putting my lid, my stem on, I hot glued a couple of fall leaves on top of the lid. And I just hot glued my pumpkin stem on top. And here's how it turned out. I think it turned out really cute. And my final pumpkin DIY, I did lose some of the footage on this one, but as you can see here, this was an orange Dollar Tree candle. I purchased 2 of them. And I also purchased this little glass, it's like a glass lantern pumpkin with the face. So cute. So I melted those candles and I took the wick out of it, placed it inside my little lantern glass pumpkin. And I can just tell you now, what I should have done was hot glued that wick down in there, but I didn't. So anyway, it still worked out. So basically, I'm just pouring that melted wax, as you can see, inside my little glass pumpkin. And just being very careful, guys. If you try this, just be careful, because yes, very hot. And I just took that second candle and did the same thing, poured it off in there. I let it harden. After it was hardened, I went ahead and cut my wick down. And this is how this one turned out. I think it's so cute with his little pumpkin face. I hope you guys enjoyed pumpkins that I made today. Thanks again for watching. If you like what you saw in my projects today, please consider subscribing. It will help my channel grow greatly. I appreciate you, and I'll see you all in the next video.